First of all, we will discuss about the dynamic input. So why is the dynamic input is necessary, and what is the dynamic input we can use it here. So for example, I'm going to draw a line. We can see near a list of this information. If it's on dynamic input, easily we can see it on the display. If it's off, we can see just the information in the command bar. So if it's any button is off, you can just easily on and off from here. So here is a dynamic input, so easily you can turn on and turn off from here, this option. So we will draw a simple drawing here, and we will also use the use of all toggle buttons. For example, I'm going to draw a circle here, diameter of 30. You can enter here. So this is our circle, and I'm going to draw a line from this circle center. So easily I will just click line and I will turn on ortho mode. So what is the use of ortho mode? If you turn on the ortho mode, so you can draw the line horizontally and vertically only. So enter L for line, and if you check it here, if your object snap is on, you can see that all the option endpoint, midpoint, center, extension, it's all working. So we are also discussing the object snap button, which is used, you can use it by the pressing of F3 to turn on and turn off. And usually we are using these 4 buttons: dynamic input, ortho mode, object snap tracking, and object snap. So these 4 buttons we are using to work 2D in the AutoCAD. So line, if you're not able to see the center, you can easily enter shift from your keyboard, right click, and you can click on the center here. So it will show you only the center. Okay, so let me draw the straight line. So why it's going very straight? Because our ortho mode is on. If we off the ortho mode, it will be free line. If we again on, turn on line, so it will work. So I am going to enter 100-meter line, enter. So I am going to select again a one center on 15 meter. So how we can use it? Circle, enter, you can see the end point here. Okay, end point, this is the end point. Why it's showing that? Because that if we go to the object snap, so our end point is here. Okay, so circle, enter, and we will enter 50. Okay, so this is our 50 meter circle. And now if I wanted to go to draw a line from tangent, you can see it here. If I'm going to select here, you can see the quadrant and tangent. If I'm going to draw a line from tangent to tangent, so I will enter L for line, and I will turn off objects ortho mode. And now I cannot able to see the tangent option from here, it's the quadrant. So I will press shift from my keyboard, right click, and I will select a tangent from here, and now you can see that your tangent is here. Okay, let me control 1, you can see the tangent option from here. Okay, so I will click here and I will click here the tangent, but I am not able to see here. So again shift right click from your keyboard and select the tangent. Now you will able to see the tangent here. Okay, so click and press enter. Okay, so now you can see that your line is drawn. So the same is here, line, and shift from your keyboard, or you can just draw it from the quadrant. Okay, shift, and you can select the quadrant from here. Okay, here, and it will show you here, and also it will show you here. So easily you can draw it here. So if you are going to draw on tangent to tangent, so let's enter line, shift, and select tangent. So it will show you the tangent for this circle, and also shift right click tangent, it will give you the tangent here. Okay, so select and enter. So now that's you can see, and if I'm going to draw a line from here, it will give you the from here, it will give the midpoint here. You can see the nearest point, nearest node, center, each and everything, all option is here. Okay, if I'm going to draw a line from here, L, from here I am going to draw. This is a polar tracking. Okay, you can see that it's give us a tracking line. Okay, I am going to draw it's on 10 line. It will give you here, so it will start from here, and now I'm tracking here and I'm using the parallel. So I will enter shift from my keyboard and select parallel and go to this line, and it will give you the parallel line from here to here. And the next is line weight. Okay, so here is our line weight toggle button. If it's not show, you can easily turn on it from here. From this list you can easily turn on. This is our line weight. So what is the line weight? If you're going to turn on and increasing the in selecting a polyline from here, I am going to draw a polyline from here to here, and I want to give PL again here, from here to here, this option. Okay, providing the width, double click, or you can just select, double click, width, and I'm providing one. Now you can see that match, you can match this line, MA command for match to this line. Now you see the line width from here. If it's off the line width, you will not able to see this line width from here. Okay, if it's off, you will not see. So it will be simple like this way. So our important toggle button is dynamic input, ortho mode we discuss, and object snap tracking, and here is the polar tracking. If it's turned on, it will also provide you the polar tracking. For example, I'm going to draw a line from here. You can see 90-90, so you can just use it from here. From this 0, you can easily enter that. I'm click here, and you can see that it will give you on the 90. Okay, 90, and here you can also draw it on the 90. And if I'm going to use it on 15 line, and I'm going to select it on 15, it will give you on 15 line. Okay, click here, and you can see it that it's giving us you a tracking line on 15. So you can easily draw the line from here as per your requirement unit angle. Okay, enter, you can see it. So that's you can draw you can use your polar tracking from here. And this is the grid mode. If you need grid on your screen, you can easily turn on your grid on the screen easily. And also we have a quick property setting from here. If it's turned on and you click on the circle, it will give you this pop-up menu. So the all details is here, color, line weight, each and everything is here, you can use. If it's off, you will not able to see this option. Okay, if it's turned on, it will easily you can see it, the all option for the line, polyline, and circle, each and everything you can use it. And the next is the unit toggle button. If you wanted to bring it on your status bar, you can bring it easily, and you can change any unit from here, architectural, decimal, engineering, and each and everything. So easily you can turn on and turn on off from here, but we are not using this usually, because in the start of drawing we can just enter UN and we can use it as at the start, so we don't need it's on status bar. Okay, so turn off this one. I hope this section is helpful. We will see in the next tutorial. Goodbye and take care.